Kalito, Mrs. Armida Didi Guzman. I'm Miss Mahait from DSBA East 71 Recto Branch. The topic that I'm going to present for today is all about one of our topic in Spetmar, topic 5, lesson 1. So here's my presentations. Slide number 1. I discussed to you how does the Northwest method add to determine the cost of each initial solution. First, here is the problem. Direction. The table show the unit cost of transporting goods from supply points to demand points in each case. Letter A. Use the Northwest corner method to find the initial solution. Letter B. Determine the cost of each initial solution. First, you need to draw a table also, but in this table, letter J, this one, letter J, letter K, and letter L, letter A, this one, letter B, and letter C are all blank except in demand and supply, because our answer will be based on demand and supply. So let's proceed. So here's the table that we have. We copy the number 28 in here in the blank letter J. So to the upper part, and that's the north method. This one, we copy only the 28 upper the letter J. This one are the north method. And that you have to think the number that when you add the 28, this one, the 28, the answer is equals to 38. So that's why in column letter K, we add number 10 so that 28 plus 10 is equals to 38. So this is our west method. And in this table, you are going to find also the number that when you add the K column, K of A and B, then the answer is 52. So I put in here in the middle 42, so that 10, because when we go back, letter K is equals to 10. So that's why we add the 42. 10 plus 42 is equals to 52. This is our using the north method. So in this table, this is the west method. Like what we have done earlier in this table, that we find the letter we find the number 10 and number 42, so that's why we got the 52. And the same this table, we have to find the number that if we can add, the answer is also 42. So that's why the K of B and the L of B, the answer is 42, because in this column we have 0. So 0 plus 42 is equals to 42. So let's proceed. In this table, the last but not the least, using the north method, you need to find the number again that when you add the L of B and the L of C, we get the number of 48. So what we are going to do is we need to put the exact answer, the exact number of our answer. So we need to put the exact answer to our west method, because we don't have another answer. that we can add. So, this is our last column. But the technique is here is what you are going to do is you just to copy the supply. This one, the supply 38, 42, 48, and 128, which is our given. Then go. And if the answer is correct to the demand of L, this one to the demand of L, the answer is correct. So it is good or very good. Our answer is right. We don't have any wrong with our answer. But if we get the wrong answer, we go back to 0. And we repeat ulit from the top. So, ayun nga. Bal 0, this one, 0 plus 48. That's why we get the answer of our, in this column, we have, in column of L, we have 48. That's what we get. Now that we get our northwest method. So let's proceed. The next one on how to compute and how we get the initial solution. Let's proceed to the next slide. Go. In this table, these are the table that we have earlier. So we separate two different table. In this table, more on addition, and the other side is more on multiplication. So we open the two tables. Go. The strategy that I am going to use this table is in this table we have addition, and this side is we have a multiplication. So I use technique, I use pair shape so that we can easily to identify to multiply each number. So like for example 28, so the other side is 28, this one. So if we multiply 28 times 188, the answer is 5,264. So we discussed it to the last part of our presentation. So I put shape that one, like this one, so that we can easily to identify and multiply. Go. So these are we got 28 times 188. The answer is 5,264 plus 10 times 198 is equals to 1,980 plus 42 times 213. The answer is 8,946 plus 0 times 222. Of course, the answer is equals to 0 plus 48 times 218. That's why we got the answer of 10,464. So, we add all of the answers that we get from these following numbers. So, 5,264 plus 1,980 plus 8,946 plus 0 plus 10,464. The answer is 26,654. So that's why we got the cost of initial solution of 26,654. That's it. Thank you, ma'am, and God.